Good evening.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have the camera both on the Alibaba and YouTube right now.
Okay. So we just restart again.
I think we can continue, and we may introduce us again. Okay. Okay. So I'm Juliet from Minew. This is my colleague Ethan, and we just introduced some introduce some AoA technology and the difference between RSSI and AoA. And if you are our regular clients, I think you already know this information.
Yeah.
So I think we can go ahead.
Yeah, I think we can go ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you guys must know the differences between the RSSI and the angle arrival technology. So we just talk about the advantage and the differences between the two techniques. So can we just move on?
Yeah, I think we can.
Okay.
Okay.
We're just talking about when we're talking about the AoA, yes. There's something that you need to know about AoA is that the beacon transmits a special signal using a single antenna. The receiving device, right? The receiving device, or you can say the locator, there are multiple antennas arrayed inside the locator. Inside this case, there were 12 antennas, right? Inside this case. So,
yeah. How does it come out the results from wayfinding? We're curious about that.
Okay, that's a good question, Julie. You know, there are 12 antennas as in array inside the locator, right?
Yeah.
So as the transmitted signal from the beacon crosses the array inside.
I can help you.
Okay, you can help. You can help the beacon for me.
Okay.
As the transmitted signal from the beacon crosses the array inside with the differences between the distance from each of the antenna, the receiving device gets a signal phase difference and then output the IQ data after calculation. And then IQ data can be transmitted through the gateway. This is our gateway G2 to the internet, to the cloud, which with MQTT protocol and the TCP protocol. So you know the benefits of the AoA now. I think you can share the accuracy between the RSSI and the AoA.
Yes, so we made a simple introduce for you.
Yes.
Here is the comparison between RSSI and AoA. Compared to RSSI, the location accuracy of AoA is sub-meter class, while RSSI-based technology is around 2 to 5 meters, and AoA is around 0.5 meters. And one more thing you need to know is AoA is a real-time location technology. The moving reaction time is much faster than RSSI technology.
Yeah, that means you can get a real-time data with AoA faster than the RSSI. That's pretty cool, Jolie.
Right. So let's take a look at the hardware itself, which is our new design, as you can see.
Yes.
Okay, we have these products.
Okay.
And we have this. This is the locator.
Yeah, this is locator.
Yeah, these are designed by Minew.
All new design.
Yeah, and we can show you this is the G2 holster. You can see the surface and there are doors. Then we will introduce the how this work with the between these devices. We will introduce later. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, I will start to introduce the locator first. So this is a locator. There are 12 antennas inbuilt, as Ethan was mentioned before. It's used to install on the ceiling. It's used to install on the ceiling and collect the data from AoA beacons, then send the data to the G2 gateway. So one set of AoA kit has 4 pieces, these kind of locators. Yeah. I will show you. This is a locator base. We will fix it on the ceiling with screw and there.
Yeah, we can put that on the top of the ceiling.
Here is the place to put screws on the ceiling. And here is a cable interface. We put the cable connector with G2 gateway. So after we input the cable, and we will rotate the locator base together. Oh, you can see there is a smaller one, so you need to match.
So you need to be careful when
Yeah.
you put it on.
You need to match
Yeah.
and rotate.
Got it?
Yeah, maybe you can. Okay, I made the opposite direction. This smaller one.
Okay.
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 Help.
Come on.
Okay. 过来看电脑. Yeah, my colleague will take care of the computer. So this is how it works. So we'll talk about the way how we got the data later. Yeah. Then Ethan, can you introduce about the G2 hoster?
Oh, of course. Okay. This is the host, G2. We can say that the gateway. You can call it IoT gateway if you want. So what do we do with that? It really plays an important part of transmitting the Bluetooth data collected by the locator. Yeah, data collected by a locator, and it just transmits the data to the cloud. So, or we can just say we put the IQ data through the gateway, and just we put the data through the gateway to the server through the MQTT protocol and the TCP protocol.
Yeah. So, anything else for?
Of course, we just got a power adapter.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, we got a power adapter.
Okay.
It's a black one. And we have another one. It's a socket adapter. So this adapter is specially designed for our customers and friends from North America, Europe, or any other countries in the world. So the socket adapter is just for you because we have different watts, electricity watts power in different countries. So this is just for the friends and customers in other countries because we have different standards.
Yeah.
Okay, Julie, so how many cables can be provided for our customers for one kit?
Yeah, one set of AOA kits has 5 pieces, 6 meters cable. The cable is supports PoE power supplier and internet connection. 4 pieces cable are used to connect between the locator and G2 gateway. 4
Okay.
pieces.
Yes.
Yeah. One cable is to use the connector between G2 gateways. Yeah. As you can see, there are many for the cables. So each G2 gateways can connect between each other. We call it cascade. So yeah, if you want to cascading the devices each other, the level 4 loading cascading. If more than 4 level, normal operation is not guaranteed. Okay, so what's the AOA beacon inside the keys?
Okay, well, this is our E5 positioning beacon with AOA features. So as you can see, can you see?
This is the backside. Yeah.
Positioning beacon
This
with
is
AOA
backside.
features. Its housing design is totally the same. It's our regular ones. But the point is that it uses a special microchip to make faster processing speed and stable Bluetooth transmission become possible.
So the special chipset is a great idea, but the firmware is also different with other devices.
Correct. We put a new code in it and to enable AOA advertising. Also, it can look at the simple design, which is compatible with our gateway and locator. That's what we provide you with the best service for testing.
Sounds like we're gonna have a great deal, Ethan.
Absolutely, Julie. Okay, next, we're going to talk about 5 new features for this kit. We're able to track more mobile beacons objects than ever before, especially than our G1, because we got 4 locators for each gateway. And what's more, the G2 gateway and AR1 locators are actually high data throughput devices. So these are overall hardware improvements. And the second, we're able to achieve the sub-meter class accuracy that covers a longer and larger range compared with the products of other companies. The AR1 locators is optimized on the directional antenna array, allowing the better coverage in all directional, as well as benefiting from angular resolution down to the fraction of a degree. So basically, meaning it provides a more accurate dot on the map.
Yes, Ethan. Apart from this, it can operate in harsh environment when compared with our G1 gateway. For example, the rapid change of temperature won't affect the stability of device. It's easy to install and deploy. We just mentioned it before. Yeah. By the way, its longer service life is even more essential and significant for our customers.
So now, you guys want to know how it works? Essentially, we have Bluetooth beacons that are transmitting a constant Bluetooth signal, or you can say a constant tune, or a constant advertising packet. This tone would be received by 4 locators over here and the other 3 over there in the room. On the locator side, we got 12 directional antennas arrayed inside this case, as we just mentioned above.
So there are 4 locators in one set. Each locator has 12 antennas, so total will be 48 antennas to receive data, right?
Yeah, 48 antennas totally. With our great locators device, we can detect the transmitted signal with all the antennas by switching back and forth in the arrays. You got it?
Yeah, understand. Go ahead, please.
Then we compare the phase angle, or the angles as we call, within all of these antennas inside. We're able to calculate which angle it was from, it was transmitted from. And we do the same thing on 4 locators device, the AR1, and combining them together and just to get a better result. So that that's how we detect where the signal was from in a specific area. Okay, Julie, could you share how large of an area could this cover? I think it's going to be great.
Yeah, I can show you the
Picture.
picture. Here is how it covers the range. So one set of the AoA kits can cover around the 400 meters, 400 square meters range. You need to know that 400 square meter is just a little bit smaller than the area of basketball playground. If there are 4 pieces G2 gateway kit, the coverage will be around 1,600 square meters.
Yeah, 1,600 square meters. That's 4 pieces of kits. Okay, so
you guys know what's gonna happen to our workers of life.
yes, Jolie, all walks of life, you got it. It does greatly improve the operational efficiency for the most industry, like smart healthcare, smart logistics, smart buildings, sports analysis, and smart retails, or something like that. We can say things with indoor positioning, which is what we are doing. On the other hand, it ensures the safety of personnel and the access. That's what our AOA system can do for yeah. It can increase the operational efficiency and Safety of the personnel and access is guaranteed with our AOA system. Yes.
Yeah, so we have plenty of applications for AOA for AOA technology. So we are the safety of personnel and the access could be guaranteed. So what can AOA system do in the healthcare industry? We are curious.
The AOA real-time location system enables users to track people and objects in medical centers. This can not only improve the indoor safety, slow the spread of the disease, save the budgets, but also allow caregivers to spend more time with patients because we can achieve more accurate indoor positioning in sub-middle class.
So, Ethan, could you please talk more about the benefits from AOA system?
Okay, good questions. The benefits, these are what I'm trying to say. First, saving lives. The ultimate goal of healthcare system is to save lives. There are many operational improvements made in hospital to help patients. Now, the AOA location system is coming at the right time for the needs. And here's some example of how AOA systems save lives. Enforcing hand and hygiene compliance. You know what? This action is achievable because if we have the location-based device on the spot, we can put the user data or any other information into the system. In order to strengthen the regulation, it was like, you gotta wash your hand, otherwise the system will automatically remind you to do so.
All right. What else can we do for medical needs?
Of course, we have providing faster care if somebody in need, like the senior citizens or the pregnant. What's more, we can also track equipment to prevent losses with access management.
Wow, it helps a lot for the healthcare industry. That's really impressive.
Yes, and much more than that about monitoring safety, because we just want to make sure that everything goes well and smoothly. And here's some example of how AOA location can monitor people's safety. The first one, contact tracing. Second, social distancing. And the third, quarantine monitoring.
So how do we need that for quarantine monitoring?
All right, for example, with the location data, the system can monitor what's going on for the quarantine conditions and to send alerts if patients live in a specific area. And this is a really effective way for controlling the spread of the disease. Okay, what about the application in the White House, the warehouse?
You got it. So we know AOA in location system can improve operational safety as well as efficiency. Since workers and machines work side by side in the industry facility, may cause serious physical injury to workers. For these reasons, company explore the option real-time location system offer for safety. For example, AOA beacon can be put on the sorting robot or fork field in the warehouse to track if there is any AOA beacons nearby, so it can prevent hit employees or other sorting robots. Besides, if the AOA beacon programmed to alarm and install on the worker's helmet, like this helmet.
Yes.
If the worker's helmet drops suddenly, suggesting the worker has fallen and may cause medical attention. The real-time location system can also be used at destination evaluation assembly point to get real-time information about which workers are at present and which are still within the evacuation facility. In all of these cases, the system can guide help to the workers in need of assistance.
Okay, thanks, Joey, for an introduction about the application on the warehouse. So when it comes to smart buildings, most people spend the most of the time and days indoors, about 90% according to Forbes. here are some examples of how AOA location service can improve security and safety. One is access control, and second is visitor management, and third, emergency procedures.
Hey, Ethan, could you please tell us more about access control? And we do have clients ask about the access control applications.
Of course.
They're
Yes,
curious.
we have a lot of clients using our gateways or beacons on the access control when it comes to smart buildings. But when we talk about AOA location service, it's much better because the AOA location service can enhance both security and safety by controlling the access. So stopping the unauthorized persons from entering the building. Typically, this is implementing trackable staff and visitor ID badges and key cards, which means you don't have the Spark badge or something like that. You're not allowed to come in the office or go to the specific area that you shouldn't. Okay, here comes.
Yeah, we saw there are a lot of comments from our clients. So we will reply your questions later. And if there is any question we don't know, then we will confirm with our engineer and send it to our sales team to reply you.
Okay, what's the question?
这样好吗？还有一些没字数啊。
没关系。
Yeah. So we will keep going and introduce few applications, then we will answer the questions.
Yeah, we'll answer the questions later. So on the other hand, when we're talking about the AOA use case in smart buildings, it can improve operational efficiency. It's not because improving operational efficiency, it's another factor that affects all smart buildings. For customers, efficiently operated space are easier to use, not only reduce costs, but also improve brand image since the user enjoyed a real, well-run, and easy-to-use space. There's one more thing, enhance user experience. So location service can also improve visitor navigation in office space, improving the user experience for both visitors and the persons that they're visiting, right?
Just help them get to the point of interest faster.
Yeah, go to the point of interest faster than ever. Absolutely. So how cool is it?
Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah. So also, team sports are also have a great example of where real-time location system can offer add the value through new data. In football, for example, small beacons can be integrated into players' uniform, provide data about their every move, like speed, distance, jumps, turkeys, access. If we also add a tag into the board, the amount of available data expanded even further as it becomes possible to track board speed and percentage or possession, time travels in the air, and many other metrics. With data analysis, it's now possible to learn which moment has the biggest effect on the game result and which player are the most valuable on the team. By analyzing the data of player, it can help to improve the skill and the team cooperation.
Yeah, absolutely. With this AOA technology, we can analyze the data after sports, or it helps a lot to the athletes and the coaches, I think. So when it comes to the retails.
Yeah.
Okay. We got a solution. Okay. We got it.
Problem solved.
Yeah. When it comes to retail, smart retail, the real-time locating systems based on affordable Bluetooth tags offer tremendous possibilities for optimization and cost saving in retail and hospitality industry, from supermarkets and restaurants to amusement park and museum. The location-based service help companies across the world streamline their business process. So we can do a lot of things like the real-time data analysis, self-scanning checkout solutions, in-store navigation. That's incredible, and how AoA Indoor Positioning makes impact in our daily life. So what do you think, Joey?
Yes, that's really a big impact for our daily life. So the AOA system can be deployed in so many different industries. That's pretty impressive. And now the great news is our AOA Gateway Kit is available for sale now. The unit price of one set of AOA kit is $599 US. Yeah, $599 US.
$599.
Yeah.
You can bring all of this home.
Yeah.
Your locator, four locators,
one G2 hoster,
and 3 AOA version beacon E5, and the 5 pieces cables.
Yeah, 5 pieces cables. Major thing.
5-piece 6-meter cables available on the kit.
Yes, so you can have the whole kit, and you can manage the 400 square meters range for one kit. So if you want to test our AOA kit, please feel free to contact our sales team for more details. By the way, the next live stream will be started at 8 p.m. and 17 March. So we will start to check your questions, the comments on YouTube, and we will check if there is anything we can help.
Let me see the questions coming in from our guests.
Yeah. This locator can be connected through cable only.
Yes.
The locate.
We just connect the 4 locators with the cables between the host and the locators. So because 6-meter cables are available for our kits. So we can see the ports. There are 4 ports in the host. So the cables coming out from the host until this is go all the way up to the locator on the ceiling. So that's how we connect the locator and the host.
Yeah, the locator and host just connect with cable, and G2 gateway can connect to the server through cable or Wi-Fi.
Yeah, because we have real-time data transmission, so the cable is necessary for this communications. We don't recommend we don't recommend Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi is not stable. So that's how we recommend for use.
Yeah. So we will check the next question.
So what about next question?
How many locators required per room? What kind of room will be? We're just curious. How many locators required per room? Usually one set is for 4 locators. If the room is like in the office, I don't know what kind of.
Let's see. So as we can see, we can have 4 locators around the host. The G2 is right inside the center, the coverage, and the 4 locators can cover an area of over 400 square meters. This is
yeah. So if the room is smaller than 400, then you have several rooms like in the office. You can put one in one of the office, one room, and maybe one in the gallery. So you can monitoring the whole 400 square meters range.
Yeah, I think 400 square meters is absolutely enough for your room, because 400 square meter is just a little bit smaller than the basketball playground, you know. So I think it's okay for us. What about the next question?
We got many more questions. This system is compatible with old my BLE Minew sensor. They currently we developed the system to compatible with our currently E5 beacon. So this is the only model we work both for the AoA system, but we are planning to develop more beacon models to compatible with the AoA system. The next plan, I think we will develop the various band type.
Yeah,
because it's more suitable for the healthcare industry. We do want to develop some variable type beacon, AoA beacon for this system. Yeah.
Yes.
So please pay more attention on our website, or we will ourselves will update you the latest news from my.
Yes, we are working on a new generation of beacon with AOA version. For right now, we are offering the E5 as our it's our accessories for this kit, because we put a new hardware inside this device, because it has a different version than the other old BLE beacons.
Yeah, I think there is a different chipset with fastest process.
Yeah, we put different chip on it. We put different hardware on it. So this is very special for our customers.
Right.
We got 3 beacons in this kit. $599. Yes.
$599. Okay, just repeat again. Yeah. So if you need it, you can contact it to our sales team. So we will check any other questions. So only 4 regular can be connected to in one G2. Can this be done?
There are only 4 locators that can be connected to the G2 gateway, because there are only 4 ports coming out through the G2 host. We got 4 ports that's connecting with the cables.
But if you wanted to have more locator to connect it to the G2 hoster, you can connect G2 hosters, which means one G2 hoster, you connect these 2 together.
Yeah,
which means it can make the coverage range larger.
Yeah.
Like you connect 2 G2 hosters, then you will get 800 square meters, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you got four G2 gateways connected together, then you will get 1,600 square meters.
Yeah, 400 square meter for each one, and 1,600 square meter for 4 G2 gateway.
Okay, there is another question. Can this be installed outdoor?
Yes, surely it can be installed outdoors. It depends on how large of the area you have. If it's smaller than 400 square meters, it's absolutely no problem for our G2 gateway.
Yeah, we do have some applications uses for the AoA system that can be used for sports game like football. And is also on the outside, and the area, the coverage area must be bigger as like a football playground.
Yes, that's what we've been done before, and we have put on real tests with our algorithm, our hardware together. That's how we get the result about 400 square meter. And there's not a point we have to put the locator up on the ceiling at the height of the 3 meters or 5 meters. 3 meters for the office and 5 meters for the factories. Yeah.
Okay. So let's see, do we have any other questions?
Any other questions we have?
This is the question we already answered.
Yeah,
Okay.
We're done with this answer.
Do we get also calculated AOA angles at each locator, or only the positioning data?
So do we, I just read the answer, the question again. Do we get also calculate AOA angles at each locator, or only the positioning data? we do not calculate the data on the locator. We just receive the signal from the transmitter. We just collect the data from the transmitter, and we just put the data through the gateway and up to the cloud. So where can we calculate it? So we hope our customers have the algorithm ability to have this IQ data transferred into positioning information.
Yes, so our devices can mount an IQ data. It can help you to get the position result through algorithm. But this part currently is depends on the customer part. So you will need to take some time to develop the algorithm for the position.
Yeah, we have to focus on the algorithm to transfer the IQ data to the positioning information that we want to have. So that's the question. We've done it. Okay. Any more?
As it comes with software locating, or we need to develop our own application.
Oh, what's going on? Okay. You can say whatever you want.
Okay. So I would say this is the question similar as we answered before. We don't have the software for the entire locating system yet. What we provide is the entire development kit, and it will have an IQ data for you to develop through to develop some algorithm. Then you will have your own software for that.
Yes, we strongly recommend you have the algorithm ability, which means the software ability, because we are providing you the hardware devices for you. The hardware devices can collect the data, which means to collect the Bluetooth signal and just offer the IQ data to you and just put it on the cloud. So, okay, thanks.
Yes, so have the algorithm ability is very important if you want to test the kit.
Okay.
So I think, do we have any more questions?
So if you have any other questions, you can leave comments or just send emails to our sales teams, and we will give you a response as quickly as we can.
Yes, we can see your comments, and we will send it to our sales team. They will contact you in tomorrow or someday.
By the way, we are working on our algorithms, so please be waiting our devices. So right now, I hope our customers can be our partners to work together to make this systems better for indoor location system.
Okay, so we
have a lot of questions to deal with. What is that?
We will start from the question is, how is the location data provided?
How is the location data provided?
Sure.
You can see.
Okay. The data provided, as a sales team, as a member from the sales team, all I can say is the data is received from the beacon devices and sent to the locators. And the locators has 12 antennas, and each antenna has a different angle from the device. So we will have algorithm for this device, and the data sent to the server. You will use your algorithm, then came out the software. Yeah, currently what we offer is that. Yeah. Okay. So we'll check any more questions.
Any more questions?
在哪里去啊？It's located waterproof. 这个防水吗？在外面的话防水。
Yes, it's waterproof. Waterproof.
So we have another question: is the locator?
其他问题的话，可以销售再咨询。
好多，因为其实很简单的问题，你们可以直接回答，就一个看到回答。
Okay.
HR Gavin.
Okay, so since we have too many questions, we will answer it yes or no and just a simple answers. And if you want to know more details, you can contact the sales team.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there is a question: is the locator waterproof if I sell outdoor? Waterproof or not? This device. And another question is how we can check the reliability from Okay, there are two questions. I think you better to contact our sales team for the IQ data and freezing temperature something because this is our new devices. The data sheet and specific for this device haven't came out yet. So we will answer the same questions and you can contact our sales team. Do you already have the price for this hardware? Yes, as we will mention, the price is $599 US. Okay, so I think let's see work on. So we just got another question from Alibaba, and this question we will forward to our sales team and confirm with our engineer and reply. So our email is at minew.com. Then you will get the emails from sales.
Yeah, our best sales teams are always at your service. If you have any questions, please contact as soon as possible. We're done today?
Yeah, we think we finished today. And remember, the next live stream is on 8 p.m. This month.
Yes.
Okay.
I hope you're looking for the next broadcasting for our products.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, my friends, and
have a great day.
have a great day.
Yeah. Bye bye.
See you next time.
See you
See you next time. Yeah. Yeah, I already mentioned is
The next Wednesday. Yes.
next Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. See you next Wednesday. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.